Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you what I pack in my carry-on bags. I'm going on a very short, like a weekend getaway trip, and the bags I plan on bringing with me this time are the Nomad Lane bento bag as my carry-on. I have the Nomad Lane sling bag, and then as my personal item, I have the beautiful, relatively new, very popular Coach Empire Carryall 40. This is in the Merlot color. I just love, look how pretty that is. I love this color. I have brought this on tons of trips with me already. I use this as like an everyday tote. I recently went on like a girls' weekend trip and I flew carry-on only, and this was my personal item on the trip. Before I turn you around, I want to show you what comes with the Nomad Lane bento bag when you order it, because it's one of my favorite kind of a packing travel carry-on hack. This comes with this huge dust bag in black with a big open drawstring. What I like to do for carry-on bags, and especially if I'm traveling with a designer carry-on bag or just one that's a lighter color like this is the new Sahara Sand. It's a beautiful beige with the black trim. I don't mind scuffs personally, but you know, as much as I can, try to avoid it. If it's not too much of a pain, I will try to protect the bag. So I like to pack the dust bag so that just when I'm going through security and then putting the bag under my seat, I can protect it by just keeping this in here. This opens flat and you can pack it like a suitcase, but this can fit under your seat as a personal item. So I have brought this as a personal item bag on some long haul trips. On my last trip, I actually brought this color, the Aegean blue, which I love. We have a very large open pocket in the front here, and then the back has this trolley pass-through. If you have a roller bag, this fits right over the handle. The outer slip pocket zips closed, so you can turn this into like a usable pocket. This video is very generously sponsored by Nomad Lane, but I've been using their products for so long. I genuinely love everything that they put out. It just makes travel so much easier. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. It'll also pop up on the screen so you can click to shop, and you can use my code Cindy10 to save 10% off of anything by Nomad Lane. I've already filmed a what's in my personal item carry-on bag. It's on my TikTok, also at Heated Mess, and also on my Instagram at Heated Mess if you want to follow me on there. That's where I usually post anytime there's a sale or any kind of like a gift with purchase that sells out. I usually post on there first, so make sure you follow me on both. But let's go ahead and turn you guys around and I'll show you how I pack my carry-on bags. Here is the Nomad Lane bento bag, fully packed and ready to go for a weekend trip. I have the added on Nomad Lane accessory luggage tag. Now, I've already done a full review of the bento bag with like the measurements and everything, and I got really technical, so I'll link that below if you want to check that out. So we have the large pocket in the front here, the little pen pockets here. I have, this is for stain, the Tide to Go pen. This is the bling brush. This is just like for cleaning your engagement ring. I do plan on like swimming and stuff on this trip, so if my jewelry gets a little dirty, I like to bring that with me. We have a pen, notebook in here that slips in this little slip pocket. This has a handy dandy key leash. If I were to use this as my personal item bag on the plane, I would keep my keys on here and then stick it in this other slip pocket. I have my eyeglasses in here in my hard case, a little hand cream, and then I have this pill case. It has little stickers so that you can mark your, you know, most used or whatever kind of medication. I can just pack that in there without bringing the whole bottle. My travel hairbrush, it looks like a chunky compact, but it opens up into a mirror, and then the little brush right here. So this is nice because the bristles don't get scratched up and it doesn't scratch anything inside your bag. That is what I have in the front pocket. On the side here is a water bottle pocket that expands, and then if you're not using it, you can kind of tuck it in there. On the back, we have another pocket if you don't plan on using this as a little trolley pass-through. One of my favorite features about this bag are these little pockets here on the front. They unzip on both sides, and then each bento bag comes with a tech organizer pouch. And then on the other side, we have the toiletry pouch. So this is a, you know, TSA approved clear toiletry pouch. This is where I keep all of my liquid toiletries so that when I'm going through security, I can just easily pop it out of this little pocket here. You know, go through security separately, and then I can like pop it back in. Also, if you use this as your personal item bag, I can pack this differently, and I can just keep my like in-flight essentials in here, and then instead of having to dig around the rest of the bag, I can just reach in right here and just get what I need. These two accessory pouches come with the bag. They also sell this separately if you just want the, you know, toiletry pouch and then the tech organizer pouch. These come as an accessory set that you can buy separately. Tech organizer to keep all of my cords, headphones, AirPods. I have a fully charged portable battery where it tells you, this is fully charged. It has all the different ports, all the different dongles on each side. And then it has a plug so that you're not fishing around for another cord. You can just plug this directly into the wall. I have another cord with a USB on one end, and then it has all the different ends. So that just stays right here. And then for like a long haul flight, I like to use this Airfly. So I have to charge this, but this plugs into the audio jack of like the headrest, and you can connect this to your AirPods. And then I also have this little AirPod holder, so you can stick the AirPods in here on each end, and then this kind of goes around your neck. I've had it happen to me where my AirPods have just popped right out of my ear, and then the last thing you want is to be digging around for your missing AirPod in a dark plane. That all fits in my tech organizer pouch right here, and then it just pops right in here, because these are usually the essentials you need during a long haul flight. So I love that they're super convenient to access when this is under your seat. And then we have my favorite part, which is opening this like a suitcase. So this opens up here in the main pocket and it folds completely flat, so you can access everything you need and pack it like a suitcase. On this side, we have a padded laptop compartment. So I have my MacBook Air in here. And then this is where I have all of my clothes. So you have the two padded laptop pockets here. This opens up all the way and folds over to reveal the suitcase compartment. And this is all of my clothes for this trip. So this is just a compression packing cube from Calpac. I have all of my clothes, I have my pajamas, I have my swimsuit, undergarments. I plan on wearing like a travel sweatsuit, like hoodie and sweatpants on the plane, and then just sneakers. So that's my outfit for the plane, going there and coming back. Literally all of my clothes for this 2-night, 3-day trip fits all in this one packing cube, and the packing cube fits right in here. And then on the other half, we have I believe this is called the Nomad Lane Conso toiletry case. I use this on my recent trip and I love how organized this is. The leather is super smooth. It has a very convenient handle. I love the double zip to open up, and then it also has a zip pocket on the outside. This is just where I keep my headband, and then I have my little gua sha facial massaging stone. The double zip opens all the way, and you have a bunch of interior compartments. So I like to keep organized as much as I can. The pockets are on both sides. I have my razor in here, sleep gummies, floss picks, my toothbrush. I plan on doing a separate, like what I pack in my makeup bag and toiletries bag, because I am always on the hunt for like travel friendly beauty hacks. These are all of my toiletries, and this fits right here conveniently on the other side. And then you can just zip this closed. And then we have this little mesh pocket here. Same thing, this zips open, and these are all the other items I pack. So I always pack a Longchamp tote bag. This is what I plan on bringing with me when we go to the pool, and if I plan on doing shopping. I just love this tote bag because it packs flat, but it opens up very large. It's expandable, so if you want it to be fully expanded, you can do this full-size tote bag, or you can zip it closed to make it a little shorter. But this is definitely my go-to travel tote bag, and it just kind of goes with everything, and it packs super flat on this side. I have a pair of flip-flops that just kind of fit in here, and then my makeup bag is from Say Beauty. All my makeup brushes, eyelash curler, all of the tools fit in. I just kind of stick it in this plastic bag so that the bristles don't get my makeup dirty. All of my makeup is in here. I like this bag because it has, again, the little gussets on the sides so nothing spills out. And then remember the pockets at the top? These are the pockets here. So they are kind of like half the length of the bag, so you're not digging all the way in, trying to fish out the like little toiletries case. That just fits right in here. And then again, the tech pouch is on this side, so you can see it's right in here. And then there's still room if you need to pack other stuff. You can kind of stick it in here. Sometimes I'll stick in like sheet mask or other organizers or tech battery packs. I usually travel with a couple battery packs, especially for long haul flights. So that all fits in like the tech pocket next to the tech pouch. And then more, hygiene, beauty stuff can fit in the little toiletries pouch here. I always pack an extra shopping bag just in case I need to like put my shoes or something. Makeup bag was in here, and then I just had my flip-flops. And there's still room for stuff. I fit sneakers on this side and like hair tools. The tote bag just tucks in here, zip closed, and then this folds over and zips. And 2 zip pockets here. With its size and all the features, this is a great bag to use under the seat as a personal item, which I have in the past. For this trip, I will have this in the overhead compartment because I plan on using the Coach Empire Carryall 40 as my personal item bag. Now you can see that this has already had some scratches from use, but you know, I feel like the Coach leather looks really good with all of the scratches and use, and it just shows you like how well you've traveled. So I don't mind the scratches, but again, if you don't want any scratches, you can use the satin Coach dust bag. I just kind of keep it tucked in there. If you don't even want to mess up the white Coach bag, again, you can use the black Nomad Lane dust bag that comes with a bento bag. I also use this in conjunction with my Nomad Lane sling, just because I like to have like my important things, you know, just right on my body. And then if I'm traveling international and I need to carry my passport, you're going through TSA and security and everything, I like to have this on me. So real quick, this is the Nomad Lane Tomodachi sling in the size large. This also comes in a smaller size. That's like this size, but I like this size because it has double pockets here. It has this really cool magnetic clasp, so it's easy to take on and off. This is the front pocket. I love that the interior is a lighter kind of a tan, so it's easier to see. This has a key leash on the front pocket, so you can clip your keys onto here and then kind of tuck it into this elastic slip pocket. Another little slip pocket here. I just have 2 lip glosses from Tower 28 and then Tony Moly. I keep my phone in this front pocket, and then just down here I have another smattering of lip products. Also, there is a really convenient zip pocket here, so if you have very important, you know, personal items, you can zip it closed, so the bag, even if the bag opens up and spills, like that won't come out. And then the back pocket, the larger pocket, is where I keep my keys and wallet. This is just a Lululemon like trio key pouch, and then a clippable card pouch. So this is what I use as my wallet, where I keep cash and all my cards and driver's license. This is where I keep my keys so that they don't kind of scratch and damage anything else. And then this middle little compartment, if I switch into a smaller like clutch or like an evening pouch really quick, this keeps my emergency tinier hand cream. I have a Dior lip gloss in here, a little travel perfume, hair ties, a wet wipe, safety pins, bobby pins. This is just like my emergency little go pouch. And then this little slip pocket back here has a nice little message from Nomad Lane. And I like to keep feminine products in here, and then also more emergency shopping bags. So that all fits in here. This is what I wear on me as I'm going through security, and then as I'm boarding the plane, if I just need to condense the personal item in my sling bag, I can just kind of stick this at the top of my Coach bag and go through and board the plane. And then moving on to my personal item, again, this is the Coach Empire Carryall 40 with my little dachshund bag charm. The bag organizer insert is from Samorga. This is my Lululemon water bottle. I love this because it has a little sport spout and it does not leak. It's perfect because I've had water bottles that have fallen over and spilled the entire contents in my bag. This is nice and fail safe. Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I got the transition lenses. Oh my gosh, I love these. I have to do a whole separate video. Works as a Bluetooth. For me personally, I love this because I can use this to vlog, like point of view vlogs, without having to hold a camera separately. It also takes pictures. I added these little ear stoppers, or I don't know what they call them. I just got this from Amazon because I plan on taking this with me to travel, and I'll be taking my kids to amusement parks. I want to do like point of view videos. So I got these and I love them. And you have to have the carrying case because that's what charges the glasses. So it snaps in there, and that's how you know it's charging. But yeah, new Sunnies glasses. So that fits in here. This is my jewelry pouch from Idol. And then within here, I have my other jewelry cases. So we have a new ring case. All my rings fit in here. So this is the little ring case. And it's so cute. It's such a great little travel case. All my necklaces are in this other jewelry travel case pouch, also from Idol. You keep the earrings down here, and then there's another little pocket. This is where I keep, like, I have an ear cuff. And then other earrings and stuff kind of stay up here. This is a great little travel pouch for jewelry because it's nice and flat. I have my Cartier bracelet pouch with my name hot stamped on there. And this is where I keep my watch and like bangle bracelets. That's my new Baignoire Cartier watch. And this, I always keep my jewelry in my personal item bag. You should never have jewelry in your check bag ever. I would never do that. But even a carry-on, sometimes you just don't want to keep your, I just don't keep my jewelry in my carry-on bag. I always have it in my personal item bag. So that just stays right in there. This little pouch is where I keep all my snacks. Especially when I travel with kids, it's crucial to always have snacks with you. Nature's Valley coconut butter, biscuits, Slim Jims, snack size, peppermint tea, Immune C, candy. Just use any pouch. I like to use the clear one so I can see what's inside. There's a snap pocket here on the side. I actually still just have the tags from the bag. I like to keep it there. So that snaps. Organizer insert also has pockets. So I always keep my Sol de Janeiro lip butter. I have a pen, another Tony Moly hand cream. Looks like a little mango. A pack of gum. This slip pocket has more tissues, wet ones, scrunchie, and Summer Fridays lip balm. That is what is in my personal items. So go ahead and stick these back in here. And again, there's plenty of room here so that I can throw my sling bag here at the top when I'm boarding the plane, and then the water bottle on the side here. But that is what's in my personal item bag. This also does have protective feet on the bottom so that the bag doesn't get all scuffed up. All right, guys, that is what I pack in my Nomad Lane bento bag carry-on and my Coach Empire Carryall 40 as my personal item, along with the Nomad Lane sling bag. This is everything that I will be bringing with me on this quick little weekend getaway trip. Let me know what are your favorite carry-on bags and any packing or travel, especially carry-on travel packing hacks or tips, because I'm always on the lookout just to, you know, make life easier when I'm traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.